Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a family recipe that I got from my grandma. I don't know the name of it exactly, but I'm going to just call it like I see it and just name it white spaghetti. So if you guys want to learn how to make this recipe, then just keep on watching. So starting with the ingredients. First, what you're going to need is butter, sour cream, and cottage cheese. So next, you boil your water and add oil so your spaghetti doesn't stick to the bottom. So next what you're going to do is add your spaghetti. You could use any brand, it doesn't matter. This is the one that I'm using and I got it from Costco. So now you rinse your spaghetti in a colander. Make sure you use cold water to rinse it off because the cold water helps the spaghetti not absorb all the sauce. Next what you're going to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Make sure you do this before the preparation so everything can be ready at about the same time. And now for the fun stuff. Get ready to get down and dirty. Make sure you guys wash your hands thoroughly because you're going to be using them in this step to mix all the ingredients together. Okay, so you get about 3 tablespoons of butter, just enough to cover the whole dish. So next you add your spaghetti to the dish, spread it all out. I added about 5 tablespoons of sour cream to start off. Turns out it wasn't enough, so I went back in and added 2 more. Add as much as you need to have the spaghetti coated. Mix the sour cream with your hands to make sure you get every noodle. Same thing with the cottage cheese. I started off with 5 tablespoons, mixed it all up to see if I needed more. Turns out I did, so I added 3 more. Now to finish it off, I added 5 tablespoons of butter, 1 on each corner and 1 in the center, and I put it in the oven. Adding the butter on top will help the spaghetti not dry up while it's in the oven. I set a timer for 20 minutes so the spaghetti can finish cooking with all the ingredients and the butter can melt. So now that it's done, I took it out, and as you can see, the butter is melted and the spaghetti isn't dry. I gave it a good mix so the butter from the top can evenly spread out. It's up to you if you want to add salt, but it tastes good just as it is. So now it's ready to eat, and you can serve it with about anything. And that concludes today's video. Let me know if you guys prefer voiceovers or just not talking with just subtitles. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.